Avison Young appointed property manager for Typhoo Wharf. Like, comment, and subscribe to get all the latest from our videos. Avison Young, the global real estate advisor, has been selected by the Gooch Estate to manage the property and public realm at Typhoo Wharf following a competitive tender. The landmark tea factory building will serve as the development's first anchor, with the BBC scheduled to open its new Birmingham headquarters in 2027. The initial phase delivers 84,000 square feet of commercial space for the BBC and nearly 3,000 square feet of leisure space, eventually expanding to a 800,000 square foot mixed-use site. It will be situated on the primary route into the city from the southern entrance of the upcoming HS2 Curzon Street station. The site joins an established cultural ecosystem in Digbeth, home to neighbours like the Custard Factory, East Side Projects and Digbeth Lock Studios. The project breathes new life into the former 1926 Typhoo Tea Packing Works, blending Birmingham's industrial heritage with modern infrastructure. Avison Young's Midlands-based team will focus on managing and activating the public spaces to foster a bustling community atmosphere. Redevelopment of the historic site has already commenced, with the BBC's internal fit-out expected to conclude in 2027. Guy Thompson, Principal, Real Estate, Facilities and Infrastructure Management at Avison Young, said, "Typhoo Wharf is part of a bold vision for Birmingham's future, transforming an area with a rich industrial history into a neighbourhood that meets the needs of today's communities and businesses." Thompson added, "We will be working with our new client and their development partner Stowfords to take forward their vision for the scheme, particularly Typhoo Square in the centre of the development." Lucinda Hudson, director at the Gooch Estate, said, "This is a major project for Birmingham, putting the city firmly on the map as a destination for creative talent, anchored by a state-of-the-art new home for BBC Birmingham." To learn more, read the full article in our Building Services category. Read more at TWinFM.com.